Are you looking to tighten up security around your uploaded files or choose just who exactly has access to them? If so, we've got you covered. I'm Daisy with WPForms, and today I'm excited to talk about our newest plugin update, File Upload Restrictions. When using the File Upload field on your form, you'll now see a new setting that will allow you to restrict access to uploaded files. Once inside the form builder and you add a file upload field to your form, you can find the new Enable File Access Restrictions toggle under the Advanced tab. When clicked, you'll see options to limit access to uploaded files to specific user roles and even specific users themselves. You can also enable password protection and require users to enter a password of your choosing before they can access the file on your site. Previously, an email notification would display a small thumbnail preview of the file along with its name, and when a user clicked on it, the file would open in a new tab in the browser. When the file upload restriction setting is enabled, the thumbnail preview is no longer shown and the file name is changed to protect sensitive or confidential data. If clicked on and the file is password protected, the user will then need to enter the password to gain access to the file. Alternatively, if there is no password protection, but the user doesn't have the right credentials, then they will not be able to access the file at all. With this new update, you'll have more flexibility and control over how files uploaded to your WordPress site are handled in a safe and easy way. I'm Daisy with WPForms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.